Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Chorokyu videos. 164 Tune Cars and other car toy brand. So anyway guys, another purchase from the thrift shop. It's another additional in my Honda collection of Chorokyu guys. This one is in spoon yellow color, but it's not spoon guys. It's a standard size regular Honda Jazz, or in Japan they call it Honda Fit. This one is the first generation Honda Fit or Honda Jazz here in the Philippines guys. So as you can see, it's a spoon yellow color, but this one is not spoon. On the front guys, as you can see, it has a smoke headlights, detailed grill with H guys, and a bumper chin as you can see, with a standard size 5 spokes wheels guys. And on the back, on the coin slot, it has a decal. It says Honda, and the other Japanese character guys, I'm very sorry, I cannot read. Painted taillight guys, as you can see, and a see-through chassis guys, and it's made in China. I think it's very loud pullback engine guys. As you can see, it looks like a mustard yellow guys, just like the spoon. Still a little bit shiny, even though it has a scratch in the front that I just put a yellow marker guys, and a little bit there. But this one is a second hand, but I think it's only display guys, because I don't see any markings that this one is being played guys. Okay, so anyway guys, that's it. This is a Chorokyu standard size Honda Fit or Honda Jazz first generation, or they call it MK1. That's it. Hope you like my video. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.